Hi, welcome to Introduction to Microsoft Excel, Office Administration 259. I'm Nancy Backlund. I am your instructor for this course. And this video is just to help you get started and be successful. So once you've finished watching this video, go towards the bottom of the page and click on the Welcome button. The Welcome button will take you to an orientation type module that leads you through information about the course. You'll start by clicking on the About Your Instructors link. Read about me on that page, and then click the Next button at the bottom right corner. Progress through all the pages in the module. Complete the two activities at the end, which is the introductory discussion and the file upload assignment, and then take a quiz on the content from the module. Once you score 7 out of 10 on that and have read all the pages, done those two other assignments, then your week 1 module should open for you. If it, for some reason, doesn't open, double check that you have check marks on each of those rows in the Welcome module and that you've actually submitted those 3 things in the module. So once the week 1 module opens, then you need to progress through those pages in sequential order. The modules are always set up so that it makes the most sense for you to complete the work. So progress through them, submitting the assignments as necessary, doing the quiz at the end, and then you'll be finished. So just to be successful this week, make sure that your Welcome module assignments are completed by Wednesday at noon. That's the cutoff. And then your week 1 modules are due by next Monday. So I hope that you're successful in the course, and you're going to be learning a lot of great tools that are going to help you within your workplace setting, no matter where you work. Excel is a powerful program, and hopefully you'll enjoy the content. Reach out to me if you have any questions by using the Canvas inbox tool there on the left side of your screen. I look forward to having you in class.